Hello dear all students, today I am going to show you front panels and front panel connectors. This is a DVD drive. This is a power switch button. This is reset switch button. This is USB 2.0 port. This is a speaker port. This is microphone port, and this is USB 2.0 port. Here you can see two LED bulbs. One LED is for the power and one LED is for the hard disk drive. To take out the DVD drive here, you need to first unscrew it, and you need to take out the DVD drive from the front section. So this is a DVD drive. This has two connectors. Okay, you can see here the connectors. One is SATA cable connector, another one is SATA power connector. Now it is empty. Okay, unscrew the front panel sections and take out the front panels sections. This is a 9-pin connector. This is used for the audio. This connector has a NC at 8 pin. You can see here after 6, 7, 8 there is a NC. NC means no connection. This is a USB connector. USB full form is Universal Serial Bus, and this has NC at 9 pin. So you can recognize easily. This has NC in the 8 pin. This has NC in the 9 pin. So this is for USB, and this is for audio. So this connector is used to switch on the computer. This is power switch connector, and this connector is power LED. When you switch on the computer, light blinks at the front panel section. So this connector supplies DC voltage to the LED bulb. This is a reset switch connector. This connector is used in PC to restart the computer. So this is directly connected with the restart button. This is a hard disk drive LED connector, and this connector is also used to supply DC voltage to the LED bulb, which indicates the working condition of the hard disk drive. So all the connectors are connected here. You can see a small printed circuit board also here. This is a power button, and this is a power cable. You can see here this is a power switch connector. To diagnose this wire, let's do a small test that is called continuity check. Here I have a digital multimeter. This multimeter, I will check the continuity of this wire. So here I am using a continuity check. This is to check whether the wires are broken or not. If the beep comes, then the wire is okay. Let's check. Now I am connecting. Okay. So this shows that this shows that the wire which I am testing here is not fault. This is okay. Again I am checking the continuity of orange wire. Yeah, it shows this wire is okay. Now I am checking the continuity of the white wire. It shows white wire is also okay. So here both the cables are okay. To set the continuity point, you need to set here. This is a continuity point. Here I am taking a small wire. Okay, one end is connected with black prop, and now I am going to check the continuity of this wire. Okay, this shows whether the wire is broken. This wire is broken in between the two end or not. Okay, as you can see here, it is beeping. So this is a test for checking the wire, to check the wire stability. Now to check whether this button is working properly or not, you can see CPU fan is moving, SMPS fan is also moving. That means this button is working properly now. Let's shut down this PC. Okay, now it is shut down. Okay, these 9 pins are the front panel connectors. Okay, this has NC at 10 pin. When you find NC at 10 pin, you know that this is a front panel connectors. Let's see another one. So this is also 9 pins connector, and this has NC at 9 pin. So when you find a NC at 9 pin, you should know that this pin is for the USB port, to connect the USB connector. And here also the same, 9 pin is NC, that means to connect the USB port. And here you can see NC at 2 pin. This is 1, this is 2 pin. 2 pin is NC. Number 2 pin is NC, that means this is a communication port, COM port we can say. This is also 9 pins connector. Here this is a 9 pins connector for audio. How you can know easily that? Here you can see NC at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pins. So at 8 pin you can see a NC. So wherever you find 8 pin NC, that means that is for front panel audio. So let's connect the audio and show you how to connect. This is a power switch. This needs to be connected just beside the NC. The next one is the power LED, which needs to be connected beside the power switch. This is a reset switch, and this is used for the restart. This needs to be connected at front of the power switch. Next is your hard disk drive LED, HDD LED. You can see here, HDD means hard disk drive, full form. LED means light emitting diode. Okay, you need to connect this at the front of the power switch. So here I have connected power switch, reset switch, power LED and hard disk drive LED. This pin is a USB pin. Okay, connector, USB connector. How you can know easily is that here 9th pin is NC, so you can match with the NC and connect with the motherboard. Another connector is your audio connector. How you know is, you can see here 8th pin is NC. So where you find 8th pin NC, you can put it. Okay, so after putting, you can connect your audio devices with the front panels. So this is your USB, this is for microphone, this is for speaker, this is for USB 2.0, this is hard disk drive LED, this is power LED, this is a reset switch, and this is power button. Okay, I have taken out to check, okay, this button. So uh, this is the procedure to connect the front panel connectors on the motherboard of your PC. Okay, now you can see here, this is your front panel connector, this is your USB connector, and this is your audio port. To connect the audio, if you disconnect this, you will not be able to use microphone and speaker at the front panel. Similarly, if it is disconnected, then you will not be able to use the USB pen drive, flash drive, okay, any other external memories in the front panels section. So thank you, dear all students.